Hey, what's up guys? Killer J-Dog here, and today I'm going to be doing a modding tutorial on Halfslabs in 1.7.2. For this tutorial, I am going to be using Forge 1.7.2, 10.12.2, 11.21. So let's get started. I've already created a little tutorial space for us. So the first thing I'm going to do is delete all of this. And let's just quickly do this. So at mod equals let's just do tutorial. Yeah, that works. And version doesn't really matter. Does one work? Yeah, one works. Okay, one does not work. I really do need parentheses there. Or is it something else? Guess I don't need that. Alright. So let's see here. Public class example mod. We're just going to be creating a little item. So let's see here. What I want is block, or no, I think for these you want Halfslab, don't you? Yeah. Public static block slab tutorial Halfslab. Import. I'll just add in single because that'll be the single slab. Public static block slab tutorial half slab double. I do not need a P. I'm gonna need a pre-initialization, I think. Let's see, right? Event handler public static void load fml initialization event. Okay, everything seems to be going well. Then I'll probably need a post load too, won't I? At event handler public static void post load fml initialization event. No, I do not need that. I need this. Squiggly, okay. Yeah, I already have that, don't I? Let's just put it on post. That works. No, it's not working. Do I have to extend it? No, I did it wrong. There we go. Okay. So the reason behind me recording this video is because a couple of people have asked me to make a Halfslab tutorial for 1.7, because apparently that was like the last part of their mod that they needed. And I figured that because I have some extra time, you know, I could quickly whip out a little tutorial video. So let's see here. What's do I need? Do I need a block? No. There you go here. So what you do for creating a half slab is you have to create the block, the half slab block, and then you will go into your load event, and what you want to do is tutorial half slab single equals new tutorial half slab. I think I need false for this, right? Yeah, single is false. Well, the full block is true. No slab. Double new tutorial half slab true. Alright. And then while we're in this class, we'll go down here. And we want game registry dot register block tutorial half slab single. What do we want its name to be? No, let's just do tutorial half slab single. Another thing that we're going to need though is we're going to need an item class for these. Yeah, my cursor's there. Item tutorial half slab dot class, and I'll create that in a little bit. Let's just copy this quick. Change it out to that's not how you spell double. There we go. Double. Alright. So let's create our tutorial half slab class right here. You know what? I'll use two textures for this one because I don't have another block. I think I need that. Oh, it's already extending block slab. Okay, so that's nice. That's nice. Over static. I don't know what that is. Let's just delete it. Start from scratch, Sue. Let's see your public tutorial half slab. You know, actually what I should have done is put a block in front of this. Oh well, too late now. Tutorial half slab boolean I don't know what should I name the boolean? Boolean boo. Boo, I like boo. Yeah, let's not worry about those. Let's just try to get this working. Okay. Super boo. Material dot rock. Okay. New. I want that to say there. Okay. This that use cannot spell today. This dot set step sound block dot sound type. We want stone. We want stone for this. This dot set resistance. Let's just do 5.0 float. This dot set hardness. Let's do 2.5 float because I like having it with the half. This dot set creative tab. Creative tab dot tab block. We don't have our own tab in this, so I'm just going to use tab block. This dot set block name. Tutorial Halfslab. Okay, so what's going on here besides this erroring out on this? So right here it is stating whether this will be a full block or a half block. Because of this, it's getting our true and false, and it's using that to create either a full or a half block. This is just getting the material for it, which is rock. I'm probably gonna use something from another mod quick that I'm making. This states that it will be bright and that you don't get like these horrible shadows which you normally get from half slabs, so that fixes the problem there. This line, when you walk on top of the block, it will sound like stone. This is the blast resistance, so against explosions. I believe that's the blast resistance for like stone. Yeah. This is the hardness, so hardness level for the block's in-game name. And this is the creative tab we will find it in after we create it. So that's pretty much just the basics. Now we can actually get started on what makes the half slab the half slab. That's probably the worst line ever, but I have never been good at speaking. Override at side only side dot client. We want this to be seen on the client side. Public void get sub blocks item creative tabs tab list. We need to bring some of this stuff in, don't we? I think there's like a Control Shift O actually. No, that didn't do anything. Control Z. I don't trust it. I'm never doing that again. Ooh. Alright. So let's get on with this. If item does not equal item dot get item from block example mod dot double list dot add new item stack item 1 0. I want that. Yeah, I want that. Import item stack. So what this is doing is it allows you to create subblocks within the class. So that way we are able to have the full slab and the half slab in the same class, just to make things a little simpler. Now let's see. At override public string. This is what they had earlier. What should we name it? Let's just say name. Public string name. Int par1. Return super dot get unlocalized name. Actually, did I need to get rid of that? Oh. Yeah, I need to get rid of that override, don't I? I've gotten into this habit of always putting override over everything now. I don't know why. It kind of just stinks. For here, I think I need side only again. Only side dot client private static boolean is block single slab block. Return block is equal to block. No. Example mod dot single slab. Oh yeah, I need that now. What this is doing is it is returning us, so if you use the middle mouse button to pick the block, it basically will return us the single slab. Which in my other tutorial, I honestly don't remember what I did. But if you tried to pick the block with the middle mouse button, instead it would just give you the stone slab, which I didn't really like, so I changed that out. Let's see here. Override at side only side dot client. Now we have to actually get the item. Public item get item world int pie. I like pie. Int cake. Int food. In case you guys can't tell, I'm actually kind of hungry right now. You can name these integers whatever you want. I'm just naming them after food because I'm hungry. Return is a block single slab this question mark. So this will check if it's a single slab or not. Where was I? Item get item from block. This or this equals block. No, not block. double slab. Yeah, it's already on there. Or okay, let's see here. Get back over here. Question mark or item dot get that from block. Example mod dot single slab. That item dot get that from block. Example mod dot single. Close that up. And what this does is it checks whether or not the block is a half slab. If it is true, so if it is a double slab, it will drop 2 single slabs. Or, well, here's where it's saying where it'll drop the single slabs. And then right here it's just checking with the question mark. Is it double or is it single? And then this is where it's like, okay, return this. Now I have to get the actual drops. So at override public item get item dropped int hot dog random int burger. Now let's bring random into here. Pretty sure we want the Java random. Yeah. Okay. Return new item stack. Example mod dot single to 0. Okay, why am I getting it? No, I don't want that though. I know I want item. Return item dot get item from block. Example mod dot single protected item stack create stacked block int ice cream. Turn new item stack. Example mod dot single to 0. So all I did was switch these around. So what this does is it will give us the item that is dropped. It first checks up here. If it is a single slab, it will drop a single slab. If it is a double slab, it will drop the double slabs. I'm sorry if I'm losing anyone or if I'm being too quiet. I'm not the most talkative or the best at explaining things, but now for textures, override at side only site dot client public void register block icons con register icon. Did I get this wrong? Yeah, that has to be all caps. I don't know why. It just does. It just does. Okay, let's see what I need. This dot block icon. Block icon equals icon dot register icon. What do I have up here? Tutorial. Actually, I'm pretty sure mod ID is not supposed to be capitalized. Tutorial. Okay. Scorch, stone, slab. I believe what I want for the first one is the side. Well, we'll see when I'm done with this. Either I will have a very messed up texture or it'll work. This dot I never created a top icon, did I? Let's just do this for now. I'll add in a top icon here quick. Icon dot register icon tutorial. Forgot the parentheses. Tutorial scorch stone slab top. Put that there. Yes, I know, there's an error. I do not care. Public icon, get icon, int, cheese, int, crackers, int, fruit. I'm gonna be healthy here. And then I want crackers and 7. Let's bring icon in, import to that. Yes, it wants the return statement. I'm working on that. If this dot build a and crackers and 2 does not equal 0. Cheese equals 1. I'll explain what that does here in a little bit. Return cheese equals 1 if this dot top icon keys is equal to 0 for this dot top icon block icon, right? Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, so what this is doing is this is saying that there are I was going to say that I was going to say what sides it might be saying what sides there are, because there's top, bottom, left, right, front, back, and inside. So I think this is what it's doing. It's saying the sides, and then this is saying that if it does not equal 0, make it equal 1. And this is saying that the first icon for the top is obviously the top icon, while all the rest of them are the block icon. And I'm pretty sure this right here is also saying that this is going to be the bottom icon. I got confused there for a moment. And then this right here is saying that all the other icons are the block icon. So top, bottom, and everything else, except for the fact that we never created a top icon. So I now have to go back and create that. Private icon top icon. I did that in the wrong space, didn't I? Let's try to place that here. Man, that all worked. Unimplemented methods. What unimplemented methods do I not have? Oh yeah, it had that earlier, didn't it? Okay, so that, I'm pretty sure that's just this. The get on localized name part, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just the get on localized name, so let's cut that. Let's paste that there. And let's just get rid of this now because that's useless. Okay. Let's save this quick, and everything in here is working. Good. Okay. Now for this tutorial Halfslab. No, this is the item version for it. Yeah, this is the item version. That's not the actual block. Okay, what do I need? Public. Wait. Okay, so this is the overall block class. What I need to do is extend it. Extends item slab. There we go. Import that. Add a constructor, which I hate. I really do hate. Block. Super. Block. Example mod dot single. Example mod dot double. And I think I just have to do single again, don't I? that. Block equals sample mod dot single. All right, and then we have this dot set unlocalized name. What do I have for the unlocalized name on here? Tutorial Halfslab. Right, yep. I kind of messed that one up, didn't I? Oh well. So what this is doing here is it's getting the single and the double, and it's basically saying to return the single. That's about it. Alright, all of this is working. Now what I have to do is I have to copy those. Source, main, resources. Okay, so what do I need? I need assets. It's either asset or assets. And then I need textures and blocks. Everything's good except I don't have my tutorial. Okay, so folder, tutorial, place textures in there, and this should work without crashing. Should. There's the keyword. Alright, I'm back. And the music is loud. So, basically the reason we were having those problems is because we were using Java 8, unfortunately. So, what I had to do was, in here, I had to switch it from JRE 1.8 to JRE, my Java development kit. That just worked. So let's test this out. We want to be in creative. And this is either going to work perfectly or it's going to blow up in my face. So let's scroll down. Okay. It is unable to find the texture. That's the first problem. Second problem is it's unable to connect. Let's look through it real quick. Tutorial textures. Okay. Tutorial textures blocks. That would explain the texture problem. Okay, that's not too bad to fix. My bad. Scorched. So that fixes the texture problem. Okay, so why are they unable to connect then? Is it because of this? have a feeling that's most likely because of this, isn't it? Wait. Let's try that quick. Again, this is either going to work or it's going to blow up in my face. For those of you who program, you probably know that little mistakes, like forgetting an ED on the texture file. Yeah. Oh, okay. So yes, texture works. Ah, yeah. There we go. Okay. So we have our block in game and okay. Okay, here's what I have to do. New folder. Is it language? Might just be lang. New something. Tile dot tutorial Halfslab. Halfslab dot name equals tutorial Halfslab. Control save. En underscore us dot lang. Yep, that seems to be it. Language file, okay. And let's try this again. Obviously that's how you give it its name. You put in the in-game name and then the name that set equal to the name that you want, and it will replace it for you. Alright, so that's pretty much about it. That's how you create a Halfslab. This is the name. This is the class. If you guys want to pause the video and copy it, I really don't care. Just trying to get through as much code as possible for you guys to see. If you really need me to, though, I could release like a little file sort of thing. Like I could copy this onto a little tiny file and then just have the link in the description down below. But sorry for not talking very much and for not being very good at describing things. I have not created a video in a long time. What I do want to know, however, though, is down in the description, tell me if you guys want me to get back into making videos. Like, do you want to see more 1.7 tutorial videos? Do you want to see maybe some 1.8 modding tutorial videos? Mod reviews maybe? Let's play videos? Other games? I don't know. Do you guys want me to like keep recording videos? Because I'll try my best if I can. And also tell me down in the description below, would you guys want to see a video on me explaining kind of like why there was this huge gap and talking about what happened and why there haven't been any videos for like 2 years? I don't know. If you guys want to, just tell me down in the description, in the comments. But yeah, Thank you for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed.